This crowd, mostly young, mostly women, is here to learn about the latest viral internet sensation. And it's not who you might expect.
She just is who she is. She's very confident, very aware of herself.
She believes in what she believes in and she's going to say it. She's not worried about what people think about her.
They're talking about Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg. At 82, she's the oldest U.S. Supreme Court justice on the bench, a feminist icon and a liberal. Right now, she's having a moment.
I'm like a weird mole. I'm tiny, but I could be dangerous.
From Saturday Night Live impersonations complete with dance moves to rap parodies,
I never thought it could happen, this SCOTUS stuff,
to fan worship bordering on bizarre. Yes, those are Ruth Bader Ginsburg costumes. Yes, those are babies. And yes, that's an actual tattoo.
I think it's a product of young women's feminism that you don't have to choose between the fun and the serious.
Journalist Erin Carmone is co-author of Notorious RBG, a book which grew from a blog started by a law student. The name is a play on Notorious B.I.G., a dead rapper. It's caught on.
There she is, also known as the Notorious RBG.
It would be easy to dismiss all this as respectful teasing, but the appreciation runs deeper than affection for a grandmother who isn't afraid to fall asleep during the State of the Union, again and again and again. Ginsburg was one of 9 women in her class at Harvard Law. She was denied a clerkship, hid pregnancy at work, and accepted less pay because her husband had a good job. She came to feminism in midlife, convincing the Supreme Court women were equal under the Constitution.
Will you raise your right hand?
Once appointed to the court, she became known for her scathing and meticulous dissents, often read out loud.
She saw injustice in the world. She fought it. And she did so while ascending to the highest court in the country, but very much staying herself.
Justice Ginsburg is okay with being notorious. She said her grandchildren like the blog, but she did ask Carmone to make a request of fans on this book tour. No one, she says, should get a tattoo of her face. Ginsburg may be cool, but even she has limits. Lindsay Duncombe, CBC News, Washington.